Hello, my name is Ilan Garibi, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to fold my wave unit and some of the modulars that you can make out of it. So this is the unit. I'm not the first one to discover that one, but I think I'm the only one who have made some modulars out of it. This is a unit that has some self-similarity in a sense that it is built from a smaller and smaller building stones, such as this square and kite base. It's a very simple model, and let's start. First we have the diagonal, and just to have better visibility I'm going to reverse it also, and we start with the kite base. By doing so, I'm unfolding. You can see that there is a square defined here by these folding lines, and in this square I'm going to repeat just the same. That means I'm going to fold the kite base in the smaller square. It's going to look like this. First I'm going to complete the square. I'm using this. Now notice that I've changed the direction. Now I'm doing if this is a mountain, the square is going to be out of valleys. So the kite is mountain, the square is valleys. So, and this is actually all you need to know, because from here we just repeat the same on the smaller and smaller squares. So I'm going to turn it over, and now we're going to repeat the kite base on the smaller square. So that means I'm going to take this line to meet on the diagonal, and this is going to look like this, and on the other side. And there's a place for another smaller square. I'm going to turn the paper over, and starting with this point I'm going to crease all the way to the diagonal only, and rotate, repeat, and so on. Now I'm going to show you another way to do the kite base, because it's going to be more and more difficult to bring this line to here. You have to manipulate the paper. So another option to do it is just mountain fold the diagonal and try to think it in between those two mountain folds of the square. So maybe you can do it this way and just squeeze it. If you're not happy with how strong this is, you can turn it over and repeat. And again, small square, end of the kite to the center line. So mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, valley, another two mountains. And the last square. One, and two. And now we are ready to collapse the motor. The unit actually. So we start with the kite base. This is going to be mountain, the square is valley, and this is the first step. Now we can inside reverse fold the next kite base, inside reverse fold the next square, inside reverse fold the next valleys, kite base, and again and again. And last. And this is our unit. Assembly. For assembly we need 8 units. So let me pick the second one, and now look inside, under the hood. You can see this is the first kite base and this is the second. We are looking for the second kite base to sit on the long flap over here. Now this can slide in, and it slides until this line is aligned with this one and this line is aligned with this one, and then I can lock the units together. I'm using some heavy duty clips just to hold it tight, and I can move to the next one. Let me pick this one. Again, look for the second kite base, insert and slide, lock on the other side, hold tight with a clip, and next color again. The last unit is a bit problematic, since you have to put it in, and immediately after that you have to put the first unit into the last unit, but it's all it asks is some brutal movements. First maybe unlock these two, and then you can slide it in. Maybe I'll take all of them off, so I can. It's not in the right place. Just a second. And that is much better now. Now, the issue is all units can slide on the other units. In a sense, it's an action model, but I'm not sure if you really want to do it. So that is one version of the model. You can take away all the long stripes here on the long points just by folding them in. No need to worry about that. Just fold it in. And this is a modular made out of my wave unit. I hope you like it, and come see me in the next clips. Thank you for watching.